This portion is brought to you by Mercury Drug, na kasi siguro gamot ay laging bago.
Hoy, Bong!
Ano ka ba naman, Cecil? Dinistorbo mo yung pagme-meditate ko.
Ba't ba nagme-meditate?
Siyempre, pag nag-meditate ako, nakakatanggal to ng stress. Lalo pag namasyal ka sa Tagaytay. Tapos dito ka pa sa Taal Vista Hotel na napakaganda ng view at siyempre ang ambience. Walang katulad. Meron ka pang fireplace sa likuran mo. Talagang very relaxing. Mawawala lahat ng stress mo. At tingin ko pati na rin mga wrinkles mo.
Pasyal-pasyal ka dyan, pasukan na.
Naku, oo nga pala, no? Piruin mo, may tuition ka na sa eskwela, baon pa, paghatid ng bata sa eskwela, tapos yung traffic sa Maynila.
Wrinkles! Wrinkles! Ano nga ba ang dahilan ng wrinkles? Gastos? Stress? Bakit may mga bata na may wrinkles na? Bakit may mga thunders na wala pang wrinkles? Ngayong araw ng Sabado, alamin natin kung anong sikreto para maging wrinkle-free ang skin.
Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dito sa #1 health and travel show sa television.
This is Generation RX. Now signing on.
Cool breeze, colorful flowers, fresh air, overlooking spots. These are just the few of the things that made the city an iconic destination. Dagdagan pa ng relaxing at mga breathtaking places that truly gives you a heaven-like feeling. Nariyan pang matatamis na pinya at mga world-class na furnitures na talaga namang maipagmamalaki ng City of Character, ang Tagaytay City.
Alam mo, Cecil, marami nag-iisip na kapag sila may wrinkles, sila ay tumatanda na. At kapag ganito ang feeling nila, hindi na sila bagay sa trabaho ang pinapasukan nila o gusto nilang pasukan pa. At dahil dito, this really leads to very poor productivity and a low self-esteem individual.
Tama ka dyan, Bong. Kaya naman mainam na malaman natin kung paano ito maiiwasan.
Wrinkles will appear habang tumatanda tayo. Genetics now will play an important role because kung galing ka sa pamilya na mga wrinkles, you can also have wrinkles early in life. Ang white skin heal very well in terms of peklat. Ang brown skin at black skin hindi maganda mag-heal. However, yung white skin naman, madaling magkaroon ng wrinkles. While Asian skin, brown skin, and black skin, very resistant to wrinkles. How do we remove wrinkles? There are many ways. Either pwede nating sunugin yung balat, or we can use lasers, or we can inject fillers. And then, we can also do surgery. Kung marami siyang wrinkles dito sa mukha, we can do a facelift. Or a combination of everything that I said. The idea is to lessen all wrinkles on the face, major wrinkles and minor wrinkles. Pwedeng very fine wrinkles sa mukha nung dito around the eyes. When you smile, you have the so-called crow's feet. Those are fine wrinkles. Pero ito naman dito, the nasolabial fold, dito sa pre-jowl sulcus, those are major wrinkles or lines.
Para makaiwas ako sa wrinkles, natutulog ako ng maaga, may iwas ma-stress, tsaka ayoko mapagod.
Everyday hindi natin maiiwasan ang ma-expose sa araw. Ano nga ba ang epekto ng oversun exposure that leads to wrinkles?
It has been said that sunlight is a major factor that causes wrinkles. Number 1, sunscreen, protection from the sun. Yung mga so-called sun worshipper, yung mga mahilig sa araw, mahilig mag-sunbathing, magpunta sa beach, yun, mas marami silang wrinkles in the same age group compared to their other age group people. No? That's why in Australia, for example, where the sun is very strong, the skin of the Australian people are very wrinkled. Number 2, the way you move your facial muscles. Marami tayong lines that are caused by muscles of facial expression. Makikita mo yung mga tao, mahilig sila mag-frown. Maski na hindi sila galit. So, the consequence of that, because of constant frowning through the years, nagkakaroon ng permanent lines. And then, last but not least, there are patients who will control the movements of the muscles of the face. Because every time ka tumawa, ganun ka tumawa, nagkakaroon ka talaga ng mga permanent lines, yung tinatawag na wrinkles. The less you move your muscles of the face, the less wrinkles you can possibly have.
Para hindi ako magkaroon ng wrinkles, natutulog ako ng maaga, naglalagay ako ng moisturizer, tsaka hindi ako nagpapastress.
Wrinkling is a consequence of aging. So as we age, we will have wrinkles. There's no question about it. To what degree is variable. Makikita mo, given in an age group, let's say 40 years old, 50 years old, merong mga mukhang mas bata, meron mukha nung edad nila, 40 or 50, meron naman yung mukhang mas matanda dun sa edad nila. There's another one. Weight loss, weight gain. Okay? Kung, let's say, mataba ka, tapos pumayat ka, magkakaroon ka ng wrinkles kasi mag-shrink din yung mukha mo. Mawawala ng volume or taba. Vice versa, if you gain weight, then you have less wrinkles. Kaya kung titingnan mo yung mga matataba, they have less wrinkles on their face.
Walang masama sa paghangad na maging maganda, as long as it will make you feel better and more confident.
Pero dapat nating tandaan na ang kagandahan at youthful look ay panandalian lamang. We all grow old and cannot stop aging. What's important is really what's inside.
Tama ka dyan, Cecil. At maraming salamat po sa palagi niyong pagsubaybay. You can like us in Facebook by typing Generation RX.
This is Generation RX, your health and travel show that keeps you informed. Now signing off.